All right, this is April 8th, 2024, the day of totality. The path of totality for the solar eclipse comes right above my house, or so they say, I don't know, mile left or right, I don't know. But anyways, we're in the morning here. It's overcast. I don't think we're actually seeing anything. It'll probably just get dark, but we took one of those logs and we put it here and made a 8x7 cant out of it, and the thought is to cut 1/2 inch thick pieces because I need them. I have to make some more higher rails over there, so instead of making 1 or 3/4 boards for the side rails, I want 1/2 inch just because it'll be lighter. And we're also going to fix up underneath here where all this mud is. We're going to put some here. So I think 1/2 inch should be fine. So we're going to cut some 1/2 inch pieces. Alright, we're cleaning up. Made a lot of sawdust today, but this is what we got. We got, this is a 1.5 inch board. That was a final cut because we can't get too much down that closer to the end. We got some 3/4 boards. This was a scrap from the top. That's a 1-inch board. We'll use that for the sawmill, or the sawhorses. We got a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1/2 inch pieces, and we cut those to 4 inch wide, and that's going to be to do extensions for the sawmill scraps over there. And we got to rake this out, close it up before it rains, and we'll see what the solar eclipse is like.